Hello, welcome. And we also want to be able to use Google Fonts in our app. Now, what we have to do is to add it. And in order to add it, we have to go to our browser and then head up to pub.dev. And over here, we will search for a package called Google Fonts. And this is it over here, Google underscore fonts. Click on it, and then we have to copy the code and go back to our editor and then go to postback.yml file and scroll, okay, scroll up, and right after this Cupertino icons we have to add it and use Ctrl and S to save, and Ctrl and S, okay, and it is getting the package. And remember, after it finishes getting this package, it is always recommended for you to stop your app from running and rerun everything from the ground up again. Else, most of the time, it is not going to recognize the update you made in the postback.yml file. So that is why it is totally recommended for you to always stop your app from running whenever you make any change in the postback.yml file. So make sure to stop your app from running and then go ahead and rebuild everything from the ground up again. So, okay, see you in the next lecture.